Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun unboxing for you guys. I have in here a treasure trunk box from Jujubee. I'm so excited to open it because the treasure trunk boxes are a total mystery. Like, you don't know what's in here. I have a general idea of what I got because this is a large Onyx collection box. So there is Onyx collection stuff in here. And so I'm really excited about that. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about 3 or 4 weeks ago, Jujubee had a big treasure trunk extravaganza. So people could order boxes that had like a lot more than what you paid for them. So there were like $150 boxes with like you would have normally spent over $300 or something for what was in there. So you got a really, really good deal. So I'm really excited to see what I have in here. I am super excited. And yeah, so let's get started. You guys, like I just said, I have absolutely no idea what's in here besides knowing that it is Onyx collection. So you guys know how much I love to be surprised. So I'm so excited. Let's go for it. I'm really hoping that I have stuff in here that I have never owned before, number one, and maybe even like prints that I never owned before. I don't know, like there's nothing totally new in here, like new prints or anything like that. So unless it's maybe black olive or something. So we'll see. I see something on top. Haven't completely opened this yet, but I do see black ruby on top. Let's see what it is. I am so excited. It's a fuel cell. I actually really, really wanted a fuel cell in this print because if you guys remember, I actually am taking my black ruby Be Right Back to, my kids aren't here right now so I can say it. Now hopefully they don't watch this video because then it'll give it away, but we're going to Disney World at the end of the year, and so one of the things that I really wanted to get to match my Be Right Back was a fuel cell, because when we go there I do pack one of these in my bag so it'll hold more snacks and things. So there's black ruby fuel cell. I'm so excited to have this. I'm actually really excited to have this, so yay! What else is in here? I see some black matrix. Ooh, okay. It's a mini bee in black matrix. I'm gonna close my eyes because I don't want to see what else is in there. I want to do like one piece at a time. Okay, so this is really nice. This print in particular is not super girly, so I can actually give this to my son to take to school. Right now he's using Pottery Barn Kids backpack, but I think he might like to take this. I'm not going to pull it out of the packaging yet because I may change my mind about that, but I do like it. If you guys don't know what the Mini Bee is, it is one of Jujubee's backpack style bags. It's not particularly a diaper bag. You can literally like wear it for anything, anywhere. Take it to a theme park, give it to your kid for preschool, like they're awesome. So I really like the lining on this one though, so I think that Jensen might really like it. I'll run it by him and see what he thinks. Otherwise I'll just take it from him. All right. What is this? Okay, I'm not gonna look at what else is in there, but I know what this is. Now, it's a black ruby BFF? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be a tough choice now that I have both. I have the BFF and the Be Right Back. I usually don't keep two things in the same print. I have ... though in my Be Right Back and BFF. That's a lot of polka dots though. I really, really like this in the BFF, and I really like it in the Be Right Back. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep both, but I love this print and this is really cute. I'm excited. So look at that BFF. This has been a really good box for me so far. I'm excited. All right, so BFF in black ruby. Now let's see what else is in here. I did see they actually put quite a few things in here. Oh! This is awesome. black olive be set. Yay! I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out because I really like black olive. I think it's such a great print if you have boys. I think it's such a great print for that. Plus my husband really likes it, so this is really cool. Okay, this color is one of the coolest colors ever. It is in between a gray and an olive green, so this is really cute though. I'm so excited. Oh, and the lining is like the best. White and black. I love that. So it's a 3-piece set. If you guys don't know what a piece set is, it comes with 3 pieces. You can wear this bag over the shoulder, crossbody, and it also comes with a wristlet strap too. So I got a piece set. And there is one more thing in this box. So I thought, because the size of this box is not that big, like normally if I was to like ship a BFF in a box, it would be like this size. So I wasn't expecting to have this much in here, but that's exciting. So there's one last thing. And I have a black matrix passy pod. You guys know I'm kind of past the passy pod stage, but I kind of collect them. Like I have a whole bunch and I don't really use them, but I like that it matches the mini bee, like, and you can put a lot of things in here besides just passy pods. So that is my box, and I'm really happy with it. I think that was a really, really good box. So let me show you guys one more time. Black matrix passy pod, black matrix mini bee, and I'll show you guys a little closer in case you can't see what that print looks like. It's pretty much white with like black design. I don't know how to explain it because it's really small, so from far away it actually looks gray, but up close it's white with black, so it's really pretty actually. And then I have my bee set in black olive, and I have my black ruby fuel cell. I'm so excited about that one. And then I have this because I love this bag. It's really cute. So BFF in black ruby, so super, super cute. Now I want you guys to let me know in the comments below what is your favorite item that I got in my box. And also if you got a box, I'd love to know what came in your box because everybody got different stuff. And everybody got different size boxes in different collections. Like this was the Onyx collection. They also had a licensed box collection, which is like Tokidoki, Hello Kitty, and World of Warcraft and stuff like that. And I bet you guys are wondering why I didn't pick that. But I really love the Onyx collection and I love the prints that come in it, so I had to get this. But I'm really happy with what I got. Like this is a really great little haul. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love if you guys would give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!